Hello, my name is Jones Muna. Today, we are looking at organization culture. What is organization culture? Organizational culture refers to a company's mission, objectives, expectations and values that guide its employees. Businesses with an organizational culture tend to be more successful than less structured companies, because they have systems in place that promote employee performance, productivity and engagement. Culture, on the other hand, has two components. The first is substance, which consists of shared systems of beliefs, values, expectations, and norms. The second is form, which consists of the observable ways that members of a culture express ideas. Based on these parameters, the framework breaks organizational cultures into four distinct quadrants or cultural types: the clan culture, the adhocracy culture, the market culture, and the hierarchy culture. Hence, organization culture is the values and behaviors that contribute to the unique social and psychological environment of an organization. Or in other words, organizational culture is a system of shared assumptions, values, and beliefs, which governs how people behave in organizations. Organizational culture includes an organization's expectations, experiences, philosophy, and values that hold it together, and is expressed in its self-image, inner workings, interactions with the outside world, and future expectations. To keep and attract that high-caliber talent, companies need to build and sustain great organizational cultures. To do this, there are 5 essential elements organizations should address: 1. Purpose, 2. Ownership, 3. Community, 4. Effective communication, and 5. Good leadership. Organizational self-assessment. Having looked at organization, its purpose and types of organizations, we can look at Royalty e-Learners Academy as an example of self-assessment organization, and let us try to assess its organizational culture. 1. What is the mission statement for Royalty e-Learners? To teach medical education in a simplistic, understandable manner. 2. What's the motto of Royalty e-Learners? To be the epiphany of medical knowledge. 3. Who is its customer? Medical students across Africa and globally. 4. What does their customer value? Quality products, simplified explanations and illustrations. 5. What is their plan? Provide quality learning materials, provide technical consultancy for virtual learning, script writing for video marketing, to provide services for video marketing, promoting nursing as a profession and to diversify to other media or medical-related products. 6. What are their results? 100% demand on our media and educational products. Assessment of organizational culture involves evaluating the onboarding process, gauging openness within leadership, looking at incentive programs, observing team interactions, determining attitudes from answers. Kindly note that using the self-assessment questions discussed herein can help one determine organization culture of any institution like a hospital, clinic or learning institution. In addition, organizational culture greatly influences employee behavior. The results of the study indicate that organizational culture mainly impacts motivation, promotes individual learning, affects communication, and improves organizational values, group decision-making and solving conflicts. Now let's look at how to build an organization culture. When people reconnect with their own commitment to make a difference in the world, and find that they play a meaningful role in building an organization and culture they want on shared vision and core values, they embrace and participate in the change they want to happen. Their own language and behavior, word by word and deed by deed, inevitably create a culture that truly and meaningfully enhances and strengthens their capacity to actualize the mission of the organization. Organization culture contributes to organizational effectiveness and achievement. Organizational culture is possibly the most critical factor determining an organization's capacity, effectiveness, and longevity. It can also contribute significantly to the organization's brand image and brand promise, which can have both positive and negative implications. When culture is out of alignment with mission, core values, and operational strategy, it can become a significant liability for the organization. To keep organizational culture vital and relevant, people need a deep understanding of why the organization was created, what brought its members together in the first place, and why the group still exists today. Shine divided an organization's culture into 3 distinct levels: artifacts, values, and assumptions. Artifacts are the overt and obvious elements of an organization. Espoused values are the company's declared set of values and norms. Shared basic assumptions are the bedrock of organizational culture. Thanks for listening, and remember to share the video and subscribe to our channel for more medical educative content.